Today's market action gave us some big signals from the dark pool and the options market. Let's break it down. Starting with SPY, we saw some massive dark pool activity clustering right around the $650 level. Prints over 1 million shares each hit the tape with premiums in the hundreds of millions. That tells us institutions are very active defending this zone. On the options side, call flow and put flow were balanced, but the size of those dark pool blocks suggests buyers are stepping in at support. Moving to QQQ, we had two standout prints. One at $580.50 for over 800,000 shares, and another just below at $579. Together, that's nearly $750 million in dark pool buying pressure. Options activity leaned slightly bullish with more aggressive call sweeps, pointing to strength in tech if this level continues to hold. For IWM, the Russell Small Caps, we saw a single 500,000 share block go through at $238.50. That premium came in at about $119 million. While smaller in size than SPY and QQQ, it's still significant because small caps are very interest rate sensitive. Call flow edged out puts here as well, hinting at potential upside momentum if rates stay steady. Now let's talk about the top 3 unusual buys across the market today. These weren't the indexes, they came from individual names. Meta lit up the tape with extremely strong call activity, big premiums, and more late buys than sells. NVDA followed closely with strong bullish flow, showing continued institutional appetite even after recent runs. And Google also stood out, stacking heavy premium call buying while sellers stayed quiet. What really jumps out is that all 3 are mega-cap tech names, and all 3 showed unusual call activity relative to puts. That lines up perfectly with what we saw in QQQ dark pool prints. Big tech is where the money flowed today.